Germ-free surface individually folded table toppers make for easy use and keep your child protected from germs, dirt cleaning chemicals, ensuring sanitary surfaces for eat or play. Extra sticky 4-sided strips. Our 12 by 18-inch table toppers have adhesive on all 4 sides to ensure that your placemat stays in place on any surface. BPA PVC free. Your child's safety is our priority, which is why we created our table toppers without toxic chemicals. Fun, engaging designs. Our unique designs keep kids entertained so parents can enjoy their meal. Easy application. Removal. Unfold and stick on eating surface. After meal, simply fold and throw away after use. No messy cleanup necessary. Eco-friendly. Protecting the environment is important to us, which is why our disposable placemats are created from biodegradable and eco-friendly materials. 10-count Sesame Street, disposable multi-use pads. Soft, comfortable, multitasking pad is great for moms on the go. Highly absorbent with a moisture-proof backing that assures protection from germs, wetness and stains. Top reviews from the United States. Great protection. These are great. I use them on my changing table. And since they are reusable, I don't throw it away till the end of the day, as long as my little one hasn't had any accidents on it. They hold accidents very well, and keeps your changing pad clean. They are a little pricey though. I would hold off buying these for a newborn who poos and pees every time you take the diaper off, and go for something cheaper until you're able to keep the same one on the pad until the end of the day. We went through so many these at first, that we went for the really cheap ones after we ran out of these. Now we're back to these since our little one doesn't wait for his diaper to be off to go ahead and go.